Hello, welcome everyone back to our channel, KOFFI NOIR channel. We're so happy to have you here. I bet you guys are wondering, who is this person talking? This is not the normal person who does the introduction or the unboxing of the shoes. So let me formally introduce myself. My name is Veronique and I am the co-founder of KOFFI NOIR. And it's such a pleasure to finally get to do a shoe review with you guys. All right, you guys, let's get into it. I was super excited when we decided to launch the women's sector of KOFFI NOIR, and I thought, what perfect shoe to start that line off is with a classic, the loafer, but specifically ours, the Aya Penny Loafer. Right now, I'm just showing you a customized pair that one of our clients just ordered. It is a painted calf leather in black. Just want to switch to the back right here. It also has a painted navy back right here. And then also if you look inside with the details, it is a tan lining. This is gorgeous. This combination is quite beautiful. Also, this is Blake welted with a painted leather sole and also a leather heel. We love this. It's just beautiful. It's awesome. And also just to remind you guys that it comes in sizes from 5 to 12. We also include half sizes up to 11 and a half. Me personally, I love this shoe. You can dress it up. You can dress it down. I mean, it's basically almost suitable for any occasion. I love that our customer wanted to put a twist on it and add that hint of style with the painted navy black and also the tan lining. The shoe is amazing. I can't say enough about it. I know our client will be so happy and definitely can't wait to hear her feedback on these shoes. You guys, I don't even think you understand. I am super excited for this because now we are getting to introduce a heel for one of the KOFFI NOIR shoes for the women's line. I'm really excited about this. This shoe right here, as you see me holding, is the Monique Heel, okay? You can never go wrong, number one, with a heel, and also never go wrong with a red heel. So let me get into some of the specs of this shoe. So basically, this is a painted calf leather in red with a tan lining. So you see the tan lining as I rotate the shoe right here. This is beautiful. Just the attention to detail. It's just what I call chef's kiss. It's awesome. It's a painted black leather sole and also a leather heel. This shoe also comes in sizes from 5 to 12, and we also include half sizes up to 11 and a half in the Monique heel as well. I just also wanted to note that this comes in a standard B width and also in a wide width. So we're catering across the board because, you know, me, myself, I love a good heel. As you can see in the background, I'm a connoisseur of the heel. So we wanted to definitely make sure that we are catering to everyone across the board and that they are having an amazing experience. These shoes right here, they're very, very comfortable. I know sometimes people say that, you know, heels are not comfortable. I beg to differ. These are comfortable. And also you have to realize that with the heel, the back specifically right here, the thicker the heel, you're gonna get a little bit more, you know, comfort as opposed to having like a stiletto heel. And then also this is really comfortable because of the specific decline down here of the heel. Normally, if it's a little bit more inclined or going up, or as you say, like an arch, you know, sometimes that can get a little bit, you know, difficult to maneuver. But these ones right here, these are extraordinarily comfortable, and I know that our client is going to be very pleased with it, and I also can't wait to hear what she has to say about the aesthetic and also the wear and feel of the shoe. So here it is, the Monique Heel. Thank you guys so much for tuning into our channel and watching this amazing shoe reveal for our Aya Penny Loafer and also our Monique Heel. We're very passionate about what we do and put time and effort into, curating an amazing experience for our clients. I don't even know what else to say. I'm just really excited to see what their reaction is going to be. If you guys are interested in placing any orders, please make sure to click on the link below to our website, which is KOFFINOIR.com. Once again, my name is Veronique. Thank you so much for your time. Please make sure to like, subscribe, or even share this video with anyone that you think would be interested in viewing our amazing content. Until next time, peace.